Hello, in today's video I'm gonna give you a short review and couple of close-ups of my new remote control for a GoPro. Hello again. So in today's video I'm gonna be talking about remote control for a GoPro. So the remote control that I got is for GoPro 11 through 13. So let me give you a couple of close-ups and tell you a little bit more about it. So in the package we get, of course, the remote with a little belt like this that has Velcro on both sides. Of course we get a manual. We get USB to USB-C charging cable. First, we need to pair the remote with the GoPro, which is super easy. All you have to do is go to the settings. And then, remote is very simple to use and it allows you to turn the GoPro on and off just by holding the specific buttons. And we have ability to control different options by using a remote. So let me show you. Now we can switch from video to photo. We can switch to night lapse, whatever settings I have. We can just click this. In this part of the screen you will see precise information about what you're going to do, and then you can change it with a left button. So right now in photo I can go to different modes, and the same thing applies when you are in video mode. This cannot be really too complicated, so all the major settings should be done on GoPro before you start working on a project. One more thing I want to show you is the range of the remote. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, real life tests of this remote. So I'm gonna be switching in between different modes and we'll see if it's actually going to be reacting. So right now I see that everything is working. Of course, the main reason for using a GoPro remote is to be at some distance when you do any projects, and of course we want to have a decent range. So in my experiment I went up to that tree and I was starting to get a little bit of the problems with the remote when it started to stop reacting to my commands. So I have to say that in real life the real range of the remote when you can easily start, stop and change modes is probably around 40-50 meters, which is plenty and enough for me for what I needed to use, and I hope this is gonna be the same range for all of you guys. My previous experience from years ago when I had GoPro 3 and its remote was horrible. That's why since then I never had a remote, because it would never work and the range was ridiculously small, up to maybe 10 meters. So this one does actually cover pretty good distance, which I think it was, we can easily say 30-40 meters. So it does work. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.